Hi everybody, it's Hand-Drawn Hank. If you're watching this video, then you should already have drawn yourself a cube, because today we're going to practice shading that cube to make it look very three-dimensional. If you don't have a cube like this, go back and watch the other video. And as always, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now you can see here that the cube we drew was drawn in pencil. But when we're going to start shading and do our final product, we're going to start outlining with a marker. And then we'll erase the lines we don't want when we're finished. So first, I'm going to outline the lines that I know I'll see, and I'm going to leave the dash lines in pencil because I'm not going to need those anymore. Here we go. Okay, now I'm going to take a minute and go ahead and just erase those dash lines. There. Now those dash lines have been erased and we can start cross-hatching. So we're going to do this side first. And all we're going to do is draw thin little lines that run parallel to the lines on this side. This will be the side that's getting less shadow. Here we go. Now, this side, we're going to hatch and cross, and we're going to do that diagonally like this. So now we're going to go the other way. And voila, there you go. You just cross-hatched your cube. Good job. And remember, if you like what you see, please subscribe below. This has been Hand-Drawn Hank.